Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. Is one of the biggest opportunity for you is the Infosys that providing from the internship programming of 8 weeks of internship programming, and also they are providing the certification also in Infosys, and also this internship is the Infosys Springboard internship programming. They're almost there for the pursuing or you're pursuing or you complete your graduation also you're eligible. Your eligible criteria was 12th pass. When you complete the 12th, you can eligible for the Infosys Springboard internship programming. Right now, is the process was very important, guys. To how can you apply? What is the details you need, and what is the they will provide the content also is very important. Right? Let's go, guys. Now, first have to go with the Google. As I click on the Infosys Springboard, and you can go with the login page. Now you can able to get the login page like that. Yes, this is a login page. As you can able to see everything. Yeah, everything can able to check out. Yes, it's a small request, guys. If you really like this video, like, subscribe my data analytic. As a small request for you, I will give the description my email ID. If you are interested to mocking, you are conducting the mock interviews. If you are IT and non-IT, if you are really interested for the mock interviews, please send your details and your resume or mail and your name and your mobile number also. Please send it. My team will be contact you guys. Is one of the biggest opportunity for you. Okay, don't miss it. Let's go, guys. Now as getting the Infosys Springboard, this is like a login page. First have to go with the login. Yes, as you can able to get the login your, yes, Google. Yes, can log in through my Google, or else can able to log in through your mail ID also. Yes, yes, sign in. Yeah, after complete your login, now you can able to get the this like the can able to get the some, if you give the some details how to register, how to give you some details about regarding to this. Okay, now you have gender or male. Yes, yeah, male. Which state are you? Also they're asking which state are you. Is Telangana, I mean. Okay, I mean Telangana. Yes, or which Hyderabad. I can give the Hyderabad. Yes, and education also if you are OU I am, and same you can give the others, and your CBSE or CBSE, or that is your wish, and just giving some details only. I complete my post graduation. As you can give the some your phone number also. Yes, have to give your phone number. Okay, one second. Yes, have to get the some OTP. Yes, yeah, my OTP is completed. Now can use nothing is else, and next go with the next. As you can see there's some video. Yes, somebody going to check the video.
Let me ask you the education our youth have,
So one of the biggest
the
opportunity.
gap between shifting realities and the static curriculum.
Yeah, and also I'll give the description my this link also. Don't worry about that. And go with the next. After completing, if you are interested, what you are interested. If you are interested genetic AI programming and genetic programming and photography and computer version and data analyst, everything is there here. Okay, don't miss it. There are total 10 to see can able to I interested data analyst and then the AI. Okay, data analyst. Can that is your wish. If you give us some details and go with the next, and can able to give us some if you are really like English language. So if you are choose the timing or 12 hours, or if you need the color darkness or white, that is your wish, and can give it done completed. Yes. Now this process will be completed, guys. As you can able to check out from here, as they're providing for the courses also. As you can able to see, go to home button. Yeah, this is a home button only. My training, they're providing training and connect classes such. Yes, now you can able to check out the any lot of resources available: artificial intelligence, fundamental reporting AI, and this there I'll wait some everything is there available from the videos and just wanted to watch it. And one more is navigate. This is some of the navigate only. This one cybersecurity, analyzing performance, like, right. This is internship programming. Like you can able to check in Infosys Springboard internship programming. This you wanted to read it if you're interested. Yeah, and one more can see the technical background, fair background, playground performance testing. Like, okay, you could daily have to check your mails also, guys. If you get some mail to if you are selected. Yeah, this is some small thing. If your goal can give the your name is a channel. If you are okay, yeah. No, this is a process, guys. If you're really interested for the internship, guys, please apply for this internship. Please don't miss it. This is one of the biggest opportunity for you. Please don't miss it, guys. Never miss it. These types of internship. Okay, like, okay. If you really like this, like, subscribe, data analyst. If you want subscribe, get the motivation myself. Okay, bye bye.